If you are facing the couldn't load activity problem on Instagram for Android, here's how to fix it. First, check your internet connection. If your Wi-Fi or mobile data is slow or unstable, switch between them or restart your router. You can also try turning airplane mode on and off to refresh the connection. Next, clear Instagram's cache by going to Settings, Apps, App Management. Find Instagram app from the list and tap on it. Storage, then tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that may be causing the issue. If that doesn't work, try Clear Data. This will log you out, so make sure you remember your password. Ensure that Instagram app is up to date. Open the Google Play Store, search for Instagram and tap Update if available. Older versions of the app might have bugs that cause issues. If the problem persists, restart your phone. A simple reboot can fix minor glitches and refresh background processes. Try logging out and logging back in to refresh your session. Go to Profile, Menu, 3 lines, Settings and Privacy. Log out, then sign back in. Another solution is to switch accounts if you have multiple Instagram profiles. If another account worked fine, your main account might have a temporary glitch. Report the issue to Instagram. If nothing works, reinstall Instagram. Uninstall the app, restart your phone, and reinstall it from the Google Play Store. As a final step, report the problem to Instagram by going to Settings, Help, report a problem, then follow the instructions. That's it. Hopefully this fixes the couldn't load activity issue on Instagram. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Instagram fixes.